Hey guys, welcome to VoiceOver Freedom on YouTube. My name's Chris. I've been doing voiceovers from the comfort of my home since 2010, and I'm going to show you how to do the same. Today, we're going over a very important topic: the reason you're not getting noticed. It's pretty simple actually. You're not doing your best to stand out. Think about it this way. Why should people notice you? You have to do your very best to stand out. You have to do your best to become memorable. So stand back and look at yourself. Look at your audio, look at your pictures, look at your descriptions, look at your titles and keywords. Are they the best they can be? Are they the most memorable? Did you put thought into making them stand out as much as possible? For example, your audio. Did you take your time and choose the right scripts? Scripts that are interesting and catchy? Or maybe you just didn't put much thought into it. The thing is, we have to do our best to stand out. This means your voiceover demo reel should be top quality, it should have interesting scripts that are engaging and show your vocal range. They should be captivating, they should be passionate, full of energy and life. This is what you want. You don't want something just ordinary that's forgettable. You want music that isn't too loud and isn't too soft. You want it to sound professionally mixed and mastered. You want to make an impression, a really positive impression on the people that might be looking for your voice. You also want to have great pictures, professional ones with great lighting. You want to look like the complete package. You want to look like a diamond in the rough. So this means you have to go above and beyond for everything that is representing you. This is your marketing. This is the first impression that people are going to have of you. So your demo reel, your pictures, your videos, even your emails. Do your emails have professional looking signatures in them? What about your website? Does your website look nice and well put together, like thought actually went into it? Or does it look very simple and boring and difficult to navigate? It should be simple, clean, professional, easy to find all your demos, and easy to get in contact with you. Make yourself stand out by thinking about things from the customer's perspective first. Would this stop you? Would this grab your attention if you were the customer? What do you think customers are looking for? Are you presenting those things in a positive light? Once you've put your best foot forward and everything is on point, your pictures, your videos, your copywriting, the way you present yourself is all excellent. Now you need to do your best in getting yourself out there. You need to take the initiative and reach out to people. You can't always just rely on people to come to you at first. You have to hustle for your first customers. This means you should update your online persona with your voiceover presence. So that means your email signature. That means your social media, your website, anything you can possibly think of. Make sure it has a link to your website or a way that they can contact you. This also means you should tell everyone that you know that you do voiceovers. I have friends that I've told that I do voiceovers. Months later, they hit me up out of the blue and they want voiceovers because they knew I did it. If people don't know that you do voiceovers, how are they going to order from you? You have to make it known. Reach out to as many people involved in media or video production. Ask them, let them know about the voiceovers that you can provide. With time, you'll find the right people. If you're a pleasant person and you're looking out for their best interests, they'll keep you in mind. And who knows, they might contact you out of nowhere. It could be weeks, it could be months, but if you made a great impression, they'll come back for you, they'll remember. So the reason you're not getting noticed is because you're not doing your best to stand out. Make sure everything you do is on point and above and beyond. Everything should be exceptional quality, from your voiceover reel, to your talent, to your pictures, to your videos, to the way you contact people. And then once everything is on point, make sure your marketing is exceptional. That means get yourself out there. Start talking to people and start spreading the word about what you do. With time, you'll find the right people, and those people will keep coming back because you're going to provide them an excellent service. If you want to learn more about how you can make a living doing voiceovers from home, including some of my best strategies and tactics, then you need to watch my 6 voiceover secrets. You can find the link to that video in the description. Don't miss out. It's some of my best stuff that's taken me years to learn. I'll see you there. Make sure to subscribe for future videos. Take care guys, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.